Hey folks, Justin here with Heritage Indian Motorcycle of Northwest Arkansas. With all the craziness and uncertainty in the world, this is the one place that's kind of normal. So on behalf of the whole Indian team, Arlo and I want to invite you in just to talk about motorcycles. We're an exclusive Indian dealership and we have a full selection of Indian motorcycles and used bikes. So we're not going to talk politics, we're not going to talk coronavirus, we're going to talk about motorcycles or maybe talk about the last big ride you had. So social distancing on a motorcycle is fantastic and we need to talk about that. So come on in and see us. We'll look forward to seeing you soon.